A ride in the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, rain sensing wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.